Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best extension cord reels available. Whether you need a reliable solution for your garage, workshop, or job site, we've got you covered. We'll review top picks, highlighting their features and benefits to help you make the best choice. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Copper Peak Extension Cord Reel. The Copper Peak extension cord is designed for medium to heavy workloads, making it an essential tool for any garage or workshop. With a length of 50 feet, these extension wires provide ample reach for various tasks and can be used for general household purposes as well. The cord features 3 power outlets, allowing you to work with multiple devices simultaneously, enhancing convenience and efficiency. One of the standout features of this extension reel is its 180-degree swivel design. This innovative feature enables easy wall mounting, granting you easy access to the cables in any working condition while saving valuable space in your workshop. The 14-gauge protection of the extension cable ensures durability and versatility, making it suitable for both general household and heavy-duty applications. It is robust enough to handle the weight and demands of heavy tools and equipment. For added safety, the Copper Peak extension cord includes an overload breaker switch. With its practical design and reliable safety features, the Copper Peak extension cord is a versatile and durable solution for all your electrical needs. Best features: it is a 14-gauge cord. Cord length is about 50 feet, one of the heavy-duty options on this list, compact option compared to a few other choices. Number 2. Unrivaled 30 feet retractable extension cord reel. The Unrivaled retractable extension cord extends up to 30 feet, providing ample reach for various tasks. Equipped with a 10A circuit breaker, it safeguards your devices against blown fuses and other electrical issues. The cord features an automatic retract function, allowing you to lock it at your desired length, stopping precisely where you need it. With a 180-degree swivel, you can access the cord from wherever it's mounted, be it on a wall or ceiling. This extension cord can handle a maximum power load of 1,250 watts and includes a triple tap feature, enabling you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The power cord reel retracts smoothly and quickly, thanks to its auto-guide rewind mechanism, which prevents kinks and tangles. The ratcheting system locks the cord at any length, making it easy to store when not in use. The built-in 10A circuit breaker protects your devices against short circuits and overloads by automatically cutting off the power supply if the total current exceeds 10A. Simply press the circuit breaker switch to resume use after an overload. This extension cord is versatile and can be mounted on walls or ceilings, keeping your electrical cords organized and out of the way when not in use. Number 3. Link 2 Home 60 feet extension cord reel. Introducing another exceptional product from Link 2 Home that truly showcases the brand's potential. This cubicle-shaped extension reel cord offers an impressive 60-foot length, perfect for small to medium-sized domestic tasks. Not only does it cover all your extension needs, but it also includes a unique feature: USB port for plugging in your devices. This 16-gauge extension cord is designed with 3 power outlets and a USB port for added convenience, allowing you to charge your smartphones anywhere in the house. Safety is a top priority with this product. It features a built-in circuit breaker that automatically cuts off the power supply if the voltage or current exceeds safe levels, protecting both the cable and your devices. The extension cord is also designed for ease of use, with a unique 4-handle switch for easy carrying and a power switch for controlling the power supply from a distance. Link 2 Home is a well-known name in the electrical equipment industry, renowned for its quality. This product is no exception, and the company confidently offers a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. With this extension reel cord, you can trust that you're getting a reliable and versatile tool for all your domestic electrical needs. Number 4. Flexilla FZ8140-503 Retractable Extension Cord Reel. The Flexilla stands out as a smart choice for extension cords, packed with thoughtful design features that enhance user experience. Let's delve into its unique attributes step by step. Firstly, its retractable feature spans 50 feet, ensuring tangle-free operation and effortless cable management during storage. Its durability is exceptional, capable of flexing in low temperatures and withstanding high heat, along with being resistant to oil and water. This makes it ideal for outdoor use without any concerns. The 14 3-gauge construction supports heavy-duty machinery and household equipment alike, while 3 outlets offer convenience for connecting multiple devices simultaneously. Among these outlets, a grounded plug with a 5-foot lead-in cord ensures versatile placement options. Adding to its versatility, the Flexilla includes a swivel mounting bracket, facilitating easy installation on walls or ceilings according to your preference. This feature ensures convenient access to power wherever you need it, making the Flexilla a reliable choice for both professional and domestic settings. Number 5. Masterplug 60 feet 14 AWG Extension Cord Reel. Introducing the Masterplug extension cable, trusted by countless satisfied customers for its reliability and durability. The OMA 601114G4SL US model is designed to handle household tasks and withstand harsh outdoor conditions effortlessly. Let's explore its features in detail. With a generous length of 60 feet, this cable ensures easy access to hard-to-reach areas, regardless of the power source location. It boasts 4 power outlets, allowing multiple devices to be plugged in simultaneously without compromise. Safety is paramount with its 14/3 gauge construction, featuring a built-in overload circuit breaker that automatically disconnects in case of an overload, alongside an LED power indicator for real-time status updates. Built for longevity, this cable offers exceptional durability, ensuring years of reliable use without issues. For added convenience and control, it includes a dedicated switch for easy operation. The manufacturer's confidence in their product is evident with a generous 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind regarding its quality and durability. The Masterplug extension cable stands as a robust choice for both indoor and outdoor applications, making it a dependable companion for your electrical needs.